people, welcome back to the Yogabi space, a space where I'm trying to give you tips and maybe give you an insight of how I try to do things and live a clean life, a toxic free life. And I want to unbox with you a order that I made with Zara Home, and these are basically things that help me in the house and switching from, you know, plastics to natural materials. So this is the first thing. Look how cute this is. This is actually a coconut scorer. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's made for washing dishes, and I'm trying to get rid of the sponges, you know, that we have out of plastic and other stuff. So I'm trying to see if I can do my job with these ones. These are cute. Okay, let's go to the next thing. If you like doing empanadas, this is gonna be a beautiful thing. I had this in plastic, but as soon as I saw this online, I'm like, okay, I need the metal one. So anything that is metal, wood, ceramics, glass, and bambus or coconut, I will accept. Right, let's go forward. The next thing is it's a milk frother. I don't drink coffee, but I do drink matcha, and I like to create different lattes, but only literally once in a while I will have something with coffee, but that's more like protein with coffee than coffee with anything. So, but mainly I wanted this for my matcha latte. It works with 3 AAA batteries. This one does not come with the batteries, so I'll have to get some. Actually, I have rechargeable ones, so that's perfect. And I guess it has a button here where you just press it and yes, froth that milk. Okay, next thing, let's put this one over here as well. This is actually a ceramic plate for, you guessed it, for this little thing. So it's basically just a plate for my scorer, because I don't like it, you know, where I put it back, when I put it back in the drawer, in the special drawer that I have for where I put all these things under the sink. I don't like it when it's all just going on the wood there, and I have some plastics that I want to get rid of. So this is perfect. And the other tiny thing that oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. What does it say there? Perfect for oven use. Well, this is what I'm planning to use it for. You know, I use when I'm baking, and it asks you to melt butter or coconut butter or coconut oil, and it's solid, and then I have all tiny little things that just annoy me. And this one, I love that I can grab a hold on the handles here. So this is perfect. And they had two other sizes, a smaller one and a bigger one. I got the medium one, but I think I'm gonna get the bigger one as well, because this is cute. And these are the colors that I have in my with all my ceramics. So I'm very, very happy with that. Next two things. So these are the last two ones. I'm going to remove the box. Oh, I love these already. Oh my god. Okay, so I've been switching all my plastics containers for meal prep, but not only meal prep, to glass ones. And I do have ones still from Zara Home, but they have like a wooden top, a wooden lid. And I find that I cannot put a lot of things that are, for example, oily, you know, because they absorb, that wood absorbs, and it just full of stains. So when I saw these ones on their site. I'm like, okay, I wanna get them. Let me see here. I love that the fact that they have a little bit of a, yeah, so it's all, oh, this is how it works. Okay, so you place it, yeah, and this is going to airtight it because it's really difficult to pull it out. Oh my god, they did a great job here. And now when I remove this, it's coming so easily. Oh, I am in love with this. I will really have to get, this was the biggest one. I think it's for 1 liter and 400, and this was the smaller one. Let me see if it says, it might be 600 milliliters or something like that. But oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna go and get some more because I love these ones. It's quite sturdy as well. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm in love. So these two things, we have the frother, and I love the colors, by the way. This is just like it's natural colors. I love how cute is this. And then the dish plate and the square and the empanadas. I'm gonna make stuff with you, yes. And just underneath the sink I have the drawer with everything that I need. This is where I place the new dishwash dish and the square. This is, you already know it, my Kimfield multi surface cleaner. The other tools here, that is where I keep the dishwasher tablets and some other things, and you know, the usual stuff that I need, like when I wash the dishes and when I'm not putting the dishwasher to work. And these are the recycling bins and the trash. This is IKEA, by the way, and that's it. Nice and organized. I hope you like the little unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos like this. You know, I want to make your life easier as I make mine. Wishing you a beautiful day. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.